see the glitz, the glamour, I pay it no mind. You see the grind, the hustle, man, my struggle is real. You see my wrist ain't froze, no grill, just trying to pay my bills. I got a son and a daughter, man, they gotta eat. I got a lady who love me truly from head to feet. Now that's enough to make me richer than some other man, but not enough to get me by when my paper's thin. I come from the blood of kings on both sets, man. I ain't a prince, but a warrior to my last breath, that's trying to flood these streets with hope, see. Cause far too many times the tears of oak tree will flow like a river to meet the concrete over a fallen soldier, somebody's son's life is over. It gets cloudy sometimes, I know what's coming next, but I can weather the storm, the water to my neck.
And everything's gonna be okay, cause everything's gonna be alright. You win, you lose, you laugh, you cry, you love, you hate, you live, you die.
Heard it said I should've gave up by now, that if I was to make it big I would've made it by now. And I ain't really got too much, it seems I got what I need. Sometimes a nickel in my pocket and I'm rolling on E, but not a thing that I got today was ever handed to me. I miss my pops and the ways that he would sit and school me. Life is a struggle sometimes, I take a bottle sometimes. I think about my homies and my cousins doing some time. I board another plane, I make them chant my name, and with the mic device embed a message in their brain. They call me Blaxican, but Kemo teach the name. I'd like to see my people unify and run the game. This is a crazy world, so many people dying, so many kids lose their way, so many mamas crying. The weather's changing now, I know what's coming next, but I can weather the storm, it's something in my chest.
And everything's gonna be okay, cause everything's gonna be alright.